Yes, good morning, children. Yesterday we saw how to use log table if you want to multiply two numbers. Okay. You can multiply three numbers also, four numbers also. Only thing is you have to add all the log values and then find out the sum and find the anti-log for the sum. You get the answer. It's not necessary you can multiply only two numbers. You can multiply three, four, how many ever numbers you are having, you can multiply everything. Okay. Now let us see division today. Now supposing you are having, say, a divided by b. Now what is log a divided by b? It is log a minus log b. If it is log a cross b, then we saw it is log a plus log b. Is it not? Same way, if it is log a by b, it is log a minus log b. Now I have given you some examples here. 78 divided by 39, if it is log 78. 78 can be written as 78.0. Before the decimal you are having two digits. So I told you if there are two digits, then 2 minus 1 is 1. First you put that and then see the log table for 78. You will get 8921. Okay. And then same way log 39 is 1.5911. You add the two, find out the anti-log for this, and it is coming out to be 2000. So here, since it is 0, what you have to do when you find the value for anti-log, first digit के बाद एक decimal लगाओ and then put the value that is here before the decimal as 10 to the power. Okay, so that is how you get the answer. Now that's how we have done all the numericals. So you just have to have your basics for log calculation very clear so that you can be very confident. Okay, so there is numerical on log based numerical with respect to pH is a very important question in the paper. So you need to know, if you know the logic or if you know the method of using log, then you will enjoy, you will find it easier. Is that clear? So I've given you some examples. Please go through it. Now I want to tell you something more. Now supposing you want to divide 3934 by 4321. Now this is very clear to you. From the very look you can find out that the number for dividing is greater than this, is it not? So obviously this will come out in the form of a decimal. The answer will come out in the form of a decimal. Now let us see how to do that. You'll do the same thing. Log of 3934.0, log of 4321.0, you find out, and you will get now the answer as bar 1.9592, right? Do the same thing, find out the difference between the two. So here it is 8 minus 6 2, 14 minus 5 9, then 8 minus 3 5, and here you have 15 minus 6, that is 9. Now here only 2 is left. So 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. So instead of minus 1, we gently put it as bar 1. Is that clear? Now you find out the anti-log for this. 0.9592 की anti-log निकालो. That is 9103 आ रहा है. The same way you have to proceed. Now after the first digit, put a decimal 9.103, and whatever number you have, put it in the form of 10 to the power that number. 10 power minus 1. So that will be your answer. You can check it through your calculator. So I've given you two examples just to make you understand clearly how you have to go about. Right? Okay. Now, supposing you want to find the square of a number. Say 564 the whole square. Now here the formula is log a power b is equal to b log a. This is b. Okay, so b log a, that is b log 564. So what you have to do is find out the log of 564, and whatever number you're getting, that you multiply by 2. Because what do you want to do? You want to square, is it not? So b log a, what is your b? B is 2. So 2 log a. Log a is 2.7513. So multiply by 2 and then find out the antilog for this number 0.50526 की 5026 की एंटीलॉग निकालो. दैट इज 3181 आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स 3 के बाद डेसिमल लगाना है आपने into whatever is the number here, that is 10 power 5. That is your answer. Now supposing you want to find out the square root of something. 564 to the power half. To the power half means what? Root. Under root 564. स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है आपने. ठीक है, तो स्क्वायर रूट के लिए क्या करना है? सेम वे, फाइंड आउट द लॉग फर्स्ट and now divide the log by 2. If it is square root, then divide the log by 2. If it is cube root, then divide the log by 3. If it is to the power to the fifth root, then divide the log by 5. Whatever root of whichever number you want to find out, divide the log value by that number. ठीक है, तो ये आ रहा है 1.37. सेम वे 0.3756 की एंटीलॉग निकालो. दैट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 2374. So put the decimal after 2. So 2.374 into 10 to the power 1. Is it not? Decimal से पहले जो number है उसको 10 power में डाल दो. So this is your answer. Same way you can find out cube root also. Only thing is you have to divide the log value by 3. Same way find out the anti-log and then find out the answer. Right?